In our ankle dorsiflexion mobilization, we will tether a heavy pull-up band to something sturdy such as a rack or bed. Place your ankle in the band with the band at the level of the crease at the ankle joint. Once in place, we're going to rock forward with an emphasis on keeping the foot flat while pushing the knee out over the toes as far as you can go. Perform this drill as needed or for about a minute per side. This would also make a great warm-up before squatting or other activities that require ankle mobility. Now we'll show a slightly different variation that involves elevating the ankle on a box. This helps to change the angle of mobilization of the band. The purpose of these drills is to help improve dorsiflexion due to the restriction of the joints of the ankle. Again, perform as needed or for about 1 minute per ankle. Lastly, we'll perform the drill with the band around the Achilles, mobilizing the joints of the posterior ankle and the Achilles tendon. In this position, we want to utilize our full range of motion in both dorsiflexion and plantar flexion, which is what Dr. Paul is showing here. Sometimes joint mobility responds well to distraction or gapping to help improve range of motion. This technique can be helpful after an ankle sprain where swelling and inflammation are present. To perform, place the band around the front of the ankle and sit on the floor. Then slowly work your way backwards until you feel a comfortable amount of pull at the joint. It can be better to wear shoes instead of being barefoot so that the band can be held secure around the tongue of the shoe, which makes it less likely to slip off. After we've distracted the joint, we can start to work in some range of motion in the form of dorsiflexion, which is shown here, and inversion and eversion, which will be better viewed in the next frame. For eversion, with the band distracting your ankle, point the bottom of your foot away from your midline. Try not to rotate your leg and perform this 10 to 15 times. For inversion, point the bottom of your foot towards your midline and perform again for 10 to 15 reps per set. In this video, we'll be using a slant board, but a stair or the edge of a curb performs equally well. To target the calf muscle, we'll keep the knee straight and heel down as we lean over the foot. We want to feel a deep stretch at your calf muscle in the upper part of your leg under your knee. Likewise, we also want to target the soleus muscle, which does not cross the knee. Here, we'll bend the knee and push it over our foot while keeping the heel down. We can perform this in a static hold or in repetitions for 10 to 12 reps at a time. This time the stretch will be felt in the lower part of the leg, closer to the ankle.